ang aga pa lang dito na ang daming sumusuport kay Atisa. And finally, this is yung iniintay talaga nating lahat. She's flying now to Thailand and I wish her all the best. And ako, I believe in her. I know that we believe in her. And she's a very well-loved candidate of ours. And ang tagal natin itong hinintay. Kaya I'm sure ilalaban tayo ni Atisa hanggang sa dulo.
So we followed Atisa's journey since 2018. Actually, even before that, corona na lang ang kulang kay Atisa Manalo.
Mabuhay! Oh, mabuhay! Tatlong bituin at isang araw. Halina't sumaya. Mabuhay! Oh, mabuhay! Tatlong bituin at isang araw. Bandilay taas, wag kang
I think it has been 18 years in the making. She said it herself. Not just me, but everyone here shares the same energy. We're all very excited for her.
She is a woman of resilience. She proved to us that if you want to follow your dreams, you have to fight for it and to work for it. We are so inspired to follow her journey and to give her our all-out support for it.
That's why we are here today, to really show that we are here, the Filipinos are here for Atisa Manalo.
Mabuhay! Oh, mabuhay! Tatlong bituin at isang araw.
Ito naman ang suporta ng mga Pilipino para sa kanya. Ito po ay isang kagalakan para sa ating lahat. We love Atisa. We love you for fighting for the Filipino people.
Tatlong bituin at isang araw.
And it feels so real na magko-compete na siya finally.
2018 pa talaga, nung hindi siya nanalo as Miss International. Parang dream na ng mga baklang katulad ko siguro na lumaban siya for Miss Universe. And it's time. This is it. This is yours. You are our Miss Universe.
Hi sis, best of luck. I know since day one, ito na yung gusto mo. This is your dream. Go get it. This is only for you.
O Atisa, o aking reyna, pambansang manika, Pilipinas sa'yo ang corona. Susunod kay Catriona, Pia, Margie at Gloria. O Atisa.
Atisa, good luck. This is it. After 18 years of all your hard work, this is your destiny. Whatever happens, we're very proud of you. And I'm so glad of the woman that you've turned out. Love you very much.
Pupunta na si Atisa to Miss Universe and we're very excited.
And excited na excited kami para makita yung surprises na pinangako ng team niya, of course.
Hello anak, I love you. Basta nasabi ko na sa'yo kung anong dapat mong gawin. Gawin mo kung ano yung nasa puso mo, nararamdaman mo, gawin mo. Alam kong kaya mo yan.
Kumikinang sa stage. Oh girl, ang lakas mo. Swabe sa walk, every move mo panalo. Mukha mong kay ganda, no doubt. Panalo na! Oh Atisa, oh aking reyna, pambansa.